The Quick Edit module is one that's been added to Drupal 8. We saw that functionality when we were going through the content authoring experience. Quick Edit allows us to edit content in place without having to go to a separate edit screen, which is pretty awesome. Over here in Drupal 7, I'm going to scroll down. We had a PHP Filter module in Drupal 7 that's been removed in Drupal 8. It's been moved into a contributed module, so you can still use it, but the general consensus in the community was that it was problematic to have a PHP filter as a module in Drupal core. It implied that there would be core support for PHP-based content, and that's something that's particularly hard to do, especially since a lot of times the people who are using PHP filter might be new to programming, and they might be able to bypass some important security measures that are built into Drupal. It also makes the migration process between Drupal 6 and 7 to 8 problematic. So by removing it, it's going to make migration to later updates of Drupal 8 and Drupal 9 a little bit easier.